So man, what you doing?
Eating a cookie, obviously.
Is it yummy?
Yes.
Where'd you get it?
From dessert.
From dessert? Where are we right now?
Grandma's house, of course.
What are we doing here?
You know what we're doing here.
What are we celebrating today?
Devin's homecoming.
Yeah, you got it. Pretty cool.
I knew that.
Good point.